YouTube video. So in this video we are going to learn about one-way Anova. Here we go. So for that we are provided with a table having some different observations. Plant growth or plant height in centimeters is provided here, and the average is calculated here. The key objective behind this Anova test is to determine whether there is any statistically significant differences exist in between these groups of data. For this process we are using Microsoft Excel 2019 software. So let's go. First of all, click on the data tab and the data analysis button, which is provided in the rightmost portion of the ribbon. So a dialog box appears. Here we have to select single factor Anova. Just click on the OK button. Then a dialog box appears. In the dialog box we have to input the range. Just click here. Then you just have to select these columns. Then please make sure whether label is in the first row is checked. Then we have to provide the alpha value. Usually for all kinds of Anova tests, usually we use the alpha value of 0.05. so here also providing 0.05, and then you have to provide the output range. Just click on this and just select an output range. I am selecting this cell and click on OK button. Yes, this is the summary and this is the Anova result. In the summary we can see the groups, count, sum, average and variance. The average is accurate 52, 52, 69 and 69. In the Anova we can see sum of squares, degrees of freedom, F statistics, P value and F critical value. Here the important thing is the P value. P value is used for checking whether the variants are significant or not. Here we have to prepare two hypotheses. First one is H0 or a null hypothesis and an alternative hypothesis. Here the null hypothesis is equal to no statistical significance for this data, and there is an alternative hypothesis I made, which is HA is equal to there should be minimum A significant. That is the alternative hypothesis. Consider the P value which is less than the alpha value which we provided, which is equal to 0.05. As the P value is much less than the alpha value, the null hypothesis is rejected. So we have to accept the alternative hypothesis, which states that there is at least a statistical significant value in the observation table. So there is at least a different value in this table. So the data is significant. Okay, that's what about one-way Anova. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Until we meet again with a new video, goodbye.